Hello, my name is Chapman and I'm the chair of the Petitions Committee for the National Assembly for Wales. Now, we've recently received a petition demonstrating powerful evidence of the hardships faced by some young people who pursue work-based learning and live independently from their families. The committee has decided to conduct an inquiry into this issue and we need your help. All young people should be given the best possible chance of undertaking training and achieving qualifications in Wales. So my committee colleagues and I will look at the current situation and assess whether improvements need to be made. And using the contact details being displayed now at the bottom of the screen, we would urge anyone who has knowledge of or interest in this area to tell us what they think. Thank you.